Welcome to Kampala, the vibrant heart of Uganda. In this quick tour, experience the bustling streets, colorful market, and warm smile that make this city truly unique. Join me as we explore the energy, culture, and charm of Kampala. So let's dive in.
I have a selfie, guys, showing you this amazing view. Wow, this is amazing, right? Rolex is just a watch, but here Rolex is a food, okay? So we're gonna try the Ugandan Rolex. Yo, hello everyone, beautiful people, good day, welcome back. So we are in Uganda, Kampala, which is the capital city of Uganda, guys. So it's my first time here in this amazing nation, guys. So briefly, Uganda is a country in East Africa having 50 million population, guys. And the most spoken language here is English, and they do also speak local language like Luganda and Swahili, which is the local language. So it's my first time here, and I'm also so curious to explore and to show you and to experience the cultural traditional life, guys. So I just came up in one tallest building here. I don't know the name, but I came up here so that I can show you the beautiful and amazing view of Kampala, capital city of Uganda, so that you can have the amazing view. So from this side you can see, like, this is mostly, like, you can see this is the local, like, downtown, you can say. And coming to my left side, this is where you will find the most of the tallest building, or you can say you can see the skyscrapers of Uganda in this side. Okay guys, so I got down, we are going to walk and have the look of Kampala city, guys. So you can see that was the building. I was on the top of it showing you the Kampala from the rooftop. So now let's get down and get to know much physically by walk, guys. So it's my first time, as I told you, in Kampala, Uganda, guys. And what I can see so far, according to my own point of view, guys, like here people have a lot of means of transport, and the most used one is which they call it boda boda. You can see all those bikes around here. This is what they call it, boda boda, and the most that people use it here. So in India they call it like rapido, and here we call it boda boda, guys. So here it's not done online. I don't know if people in Uganda have that like the online app. Like, for example, if you want boda boda, you have to do it to book the ride online. I don't know, guys, do you guys have it here? But anyway, what I see mostly, like, they are outside here on the road, and people you just have to come out and tell them where you're going, and then you can discuss the price. So this is the view of Kampala. This is where I was up there, guys, on the rooftop. Yeah, let me have a selfie, guys, showing you this amazing view. Wow, this is amazing, right? This is amazing, and the first impression of me in this Kampala. And here, guys, like, the good thing about this country, I see that, like, people minding their business, and they also have a lot mini bus, like for the long distance one. You can see, like, in the other side, you can see, guys, they use that mini taxi or the bus. That is if you're going or coming from a long distance, you can use it. You can see how developed it is. This is like a bank, guys. For sure it's a government place. And for me, as first time here in Uganda, my first impression, like, for now it is around 1 to 2 afternoon time, guys. It's little bit hot, but generally speaking about the weather, guys, like, the weather is so good here compared to my country, South Sudan. The Ugandan weather, guys, is really amazing. Like, mostly people out here don't even use fan because the weather is so amazing and so beautiful. And Another thing is that what I can say, like people here, they love cultivating, like they love agriculture, like most of the food, the product here naturally. So I will make sure to take you guys to the market to show you the item, the prices, and the life in Uganda, guys. So you can see me sweating now. That is fine because it's hot. So let's dive inside more, maybe trying some local and traditional stuff. And if you are watching from Asia, guys, so peace out. So this is my first time here in Africa, and you all know that I started doing my vlogs from India. I also explored Nepal. So this is like my first time now going to explore my country or my nation, Africa, guys. So I'm really so curious and can't wait to show you much more about Uganda and also the bordering country like South Sudan, Kenya, Tanzania. And just you have to know that if you are trying to visit Uganda, if you come through Kenya or you can say South Sudan, Tanzania, so those all countries, they are sharing border with Uganda, Kampala, guys. So let's dive down and see much. So far we are in a market, they call it like thrift market. So thrift market is like a second hand clothes, guys. And this is like famous thing here in Uganda, guys. Like you can see people sell the second hand stuff. Like you literally you can find so many things, whatever you want. So in your language, guys, I want you to tell me like how do you call a market where like a place where people sell their second hand clothes or things, how do you call it in your own language? Okay, if you're watching from India or wherever you're watching, tell me, guys, how do you call the second hand things? In Arabic, as a South Sudanese, yo, money never what? Money never come late. It come early here. Yeah, I'm good, guys. So in your language, guys, how do you call? Yo, what's up? You're good? Yeah. So how do you call thrift market or second hand selling items? In Arabic, guys, we call it gugu. In Arabic, we call it gugu. Gugu means second hand clothes. Oh, sorry, man. Yeah. But I don't know. I don't understand your Ugandan, guys, or Ugandan. Here, mostly people speak English as a national language and local language like Swahili, and they also speak Ugandan. So I know none of this language. Only English is going to help me out here in this market. So let me check out. Maybe if I can find something interesting that I can buy here. But anyway, this is how mostly people live here. It's not about only selling the second hand, but you can find also like new clothes. But for other people who can't afford like new clothes, so they are ready to go with the second hand clothes, guys. They don't also sell only second hand clothes, like they sell everything. Like shoe, they sell shoe, clothes, items, whatever, even phones, guys. So here are the prices for the food items, guys. Maybe you can see. Yeah. So that is something good because they write all the prices for the item, guys. Yeah. So here, this is like in Uganda here, guys. People mostly consume these beans, guys, which they call it janjaro. And this is the price for the rice. You can see like 350. Okay, 350, guys. So 350 is like $1. This is like $1, guys, because $1 is equivalent to 3,500 Ugandan shilling, guys. Ugandan shilling. And this is also most consumed. Okay. So this is something nice, guys. Like I love it because as someone who was in India or exploring Asia, guys, Like if you go to Asia, most of the Asian countries, guys, like they have a tag price for every product. Now they have added chapati on it. They have added chapati on it, guys, together with egg. You said you have beans, right? Yes. Okay, just do one thing. I want to try it with beans.
Another one with beans.
Make this one. Okay. So make another with beans. Don't roll it, I want to eat it. No. Hold. Rolex, okay? Rolex is just a watch, but here Rolex is a food, okay? So we're gonna try the Ugandan Rolex. I think he added little bit extra of salt. But this is nice, which they usually consume for breakfast, guys. It's a little bit heavy to eat. That is why people or local people here love to eat it, guys, because you know, like here in Africa or Uganda, you can say, people need heavy food, guys, especially in the morning, because people have a lot of work to do, and like mostly people here also consume maybe 2 to 3 meals in a day. So if you eat like this in the morning, I think this will make you feel great or satisfied. Maybe you can eat after 5 to 6 hours again. This is nice, but I think if they have added kind of a bit of sauce, whatever sauce, tomato sauce or mayonnaise sauce, then it will be more juicy. So we are going to the end of our vlog, guys. Been exploring Kampala today, and hopefully this is not gonna be the last day. And this market is really so big to explore, guys. Just know that. And to cover it in one day, this is not possible. So I am hoping to come back again, guys. So maybe I will come back. For sure I have to come back again, guys, but I need you guys to let me know or to suggest some content or the things that maybe next time if I come to this market that I can cover up, because I still feel like to explore more, guys. I need to explore more in this market. This is very amazing market, like very busy all over, all around. Like you can see people are so busy running up with their business, and those border, like you find it everywhere, guys. And just know that like people here love music, guys. Like Ugandan with music, like 5 and 6, and this is a good vibe. I just love it. So I will come back again, guys. I hope to see you again, and make sure to suggest more content for me, more things to try, more places to visit. And if you are local content creator also, guys, you can let me know. Maybe we can meet up and collaborate in Kampala, guys. Yeah. So this side is just full of thrift selling clothes, second-hand clothes market. I'm so busy, but I just love it, guys. I love the vibe here. Like people are so busy minding their business. Nobody care about you. Yeah, nobody care about you. This is called City Basic Complex, guys. This is City Basic Complex. I don't know what complex inside there, but maybe one day we will come here to explore. Let me just come out of the road, guys. Sorry. for today I was just exploring and trying different local food, guys. So maybe next time, maybe next time, guys, we'll come and do some shopping and see the prices of the product and item here in Uganda. So I just love the vibe so far. I love everything. So now we are going to catch the bus inside around here, guys. You see these places, like this is where you can catch the local buses. So yeah, we call it a day, guys. Love you all. So far today I just tried Chokomando, Rolex and some fried chicken. So you can go and check out the other vlogs, guys. Peace out.